When your Sceptre monitor shows a blank screen, the first step is determining whether you have a power issue or a display signal problem. This systematic approach will save you time and help identify the root cause. Start by examining the power LED on your monitor. If the LED is completely off, you have a power-related problem. If the LED is on but there's no display, focus on signal and connection issues. For power problems, first check your external power adapter. Verify the voltage output matches the monitor's requirements. Test with a different power cable if available, and listen carefully for any internal clicking or buzzing sounds which indicate power supply failure. Internal components like capacitors can degrade over time, especially in monitors that are 3 or more years old. Bulging or leaking capacitors are common causes of power supply failures. For display signal issues, start by ensuring the correct input source is selected on your monitor. Many users overlook this simple step. Use the monitor's menu buttons to cycle through available inputs like HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA. Next, verify all cable connections are secure at both ends. Check the cable integrity for any visible damage, kinks, or bent connectors. Try different cable types if available. HDMI and DisplayPort cables can fail, and testing with an alternate cable quickly identifies cable-related issues. Cable compatibility is a common oversight. Newer graphics cards with HDMI 2.1 outputs may have issues with older HDMI cables or monitors that only support earlier HDMI standards. DisplayPort often provides better compatibility for high refresh rates. Modern graphics cards have multiple display outputs. If one port isn't working, try connecting to a different DisplayPort or HDMI port on your graphics card. Graphics driver conflicts are increasingly common, especially after Windows 11 updates. Ensure your graphics drivers are current by downloading the latest version directly from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's website, rather than relying on Windows Update. By following this systematic approach, checking the power LED first, then focusing on either power or signal issues, you can quickly identify and resolve most Sceptre monitor problems. This methodical diagnosis saves time and prevents unnecessary troubleshooting steps. Start with basic troubleshooting steps that resolve most Sceptre monitor issues. These simple solutions work for 90% of common problems. If basic steps fail, try these advanced software solutions. These address deeper compatibility issues between your graphics card and monitor. Hardware problems require different solutions. Sceptre monitors from 2020 to 2022, especially the E248W series, commonly experience power supply failures due to defective capacitors. If your monitor is still under warranty, contact Sceptre support immediately. For out-of-warranty units, professional repair services can handle component replacement safely and effectively.